Good morning, it's me, Jimmy. So the question is that should you use Python for the data analyst? The sun is quite burning, and by the way, good morning. The sun is quite bright and it's burning in my eyes. Let me get to the answer. Yes. Few years back, people even use C++ for data. Amazing, I love you guys. But it was absolutely brutal hard. In 2019, 2020, you don't need any other programming language than Python. Literally, you don't need any another programming language than Python. Python is the master of all programming language. The good thing is that the syntax is very easy and clean to learn other than the indentation, which means by mistake you press a space, the code will break, it will not work. Other than that, it's the best data driven programming language. It is a dynamic programming language. It do not have a native framework for the web, but you can use Flex or Django framework and use it for the website. You can build 2D games with it. You can build 3D concept art with it. You can do a lot of stuff with Python. I love Python. I did my introduction to Python from the MIT University certificate. I love Python. I will be throwing some link in the description box below for the Python. What are you waiting? Go and learn Python. Do a nano-degree Python, or just learn by book or learn by flashcard. There's bazillion way to learn Python, but Python is the best. I love Python a lot, to be honest with you. Python is my favorite. I just love Python a lot. Literally, don't have to wait for anything else. Just focus on Python. Python is the king of the data analyst data language. I love Python. For web programming language, I still prefer PHP. But what are you waiting? People want to know, should I learn this? Learn anything you can. Just get started. What are you waiting for? Should I pat you on your back? Okay, go. Are you a doggy? Tummy. Whoa. Should you need a biscuit? No, should you need a ball? What are you waiting for? Learn. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.